Hello everyone. In today's video on my channel, I will solve an angle question involving triangles, specifically focusing on isosceles triangles. Let's dive into the question and solve it together. Let me know if you'd like further adjustments. On a straight line, the total angles add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, the angle adjacent to 100 degrees is 80 degrees. Now, let's move to the isosceles triangle DCE. Since it's an isosceles triangle, its base angles are equal, each measuring 80 degrees, and the vertex angle at the top is 20 degrees. Once again, we have a straight line. The angle adjacent to 80 degrees is, of course, 100 degrees. As you can see, triangle AEC is an isosceles triangle with a vertex angle of 100 degrees. Therefore, its base angles will each measure 40 degrees. Let me show you one more isosceles triangle, triangle ABC. As you can see, one of the base angles is 60 degrees, which automatically makes the second base angle 60 degrees as well. The last part is the easiest. As we know, the sum of the interior angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. Using this fact, the angle BAD calculates to be 20 degrees. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you in the next video. Let me know if you'd like to add anything else.